So, good evening to all of you. I am Sharon Lamudok, and the topic I will be discussing is the application of supply and demand. The application of supply and demand refers to the using core economic principle to analyze, predict, and make decision in various real-world contexts. So, mauni mga examples sa key application the supply and demand. So, first is business strategy, second is consumer decision, third is public services. So, next is application of supply and demand. For an economics, the term demand is very different from the words need and I want. Most people argue that they need more and better routes between their home and the city where they work. After all, the jump with vehicle every morning, like exactly more routes are needed. However, given the current cost and available alternative, commuters might need something else. So, for example, if light rail translate a metro rail transit system were available free of charge, so people would like say that needs more buses or light rail system if working costs were high. So next is demand. Demand is the willingness and ability of consumers to buy product at specific prices over a given period. Need and wants are subjective and very difficult to measure. So next ang supply. Supply is refers to the quantity of a good or service that producer are willing and able to bring to our market for sale at different price point within a specific time frame. Like example, of supply, determinants of supply. The law of demand, our study of supply and demand, begins with demands which involves consumer or buyers. All people are buyers or demanders. They demand goods and services from clothing to shoes, even produce. So example is when the price rises, quantity demand fall. So when the price falls, quantity demanded rises. So meaning kung ang imuhang supply is taas, imong demand mo baba. Kung imuhang demand taas, imong supply mo baba. Ingana ra na siya ha sayo. So maora to guys. Thank you for watching.